Hi guys, okay, so I'm Serena.
And I'm Mahmood.
And we're the Business Rockstars. So if you want more than an accountant, watch on for our latest blog. Today, over to Mahmood.
Well, thank you, Serena, who's holding the money. First question to you. Your business, do you see it as a hobby? If so, don't bother listening to the rest of this video. If you're there to make money, listen on. Now, effectively, when we talk about your business making money, we've talked about why it's needed. You want to carry on, sustain, make an impact, all that sort of gubbins, it's essential. And by money, we're talking about profits. So what is profit? Profit is not the money in your bank account, even though that's absolutely critical to pay those bills, pay yourself, pay your suppliers. But profit is what's left after all your expenses here. If you don't make profit and you focus on sales alone, say goodbye to your business, you're going to hit those barriers and away it goes. You want to hear more about what profit is and how we work it out? Read our blog. Thanks for your time.
Okay guys, so like Mahmood said, over to the website or give us a call, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Loads more information. Give us a call today. We're more than just accountants. Till next time. Ciao.
Ciao. Do you want me to do the old hip static and doing that?
Yes. Right.
Do you like that bit? I like that bit. If I do that.
Okay.
That's when you're ready.
Yeah, ready.
Born ready.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
I wanna be a rock star. Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star.